I'm a little bit behind the summer 2025 trend of sardines and other ocean themed animals. However, I feel like with this order, we could make birds dressed up in costumes a trend. I know I'm being biased because I released these last year and I didn't sell a single summer or 4th of July bird, which honestly is kind of surprising because look at how cute this entire order is together. I think it's adorable. Regardless of if I sell more of these or not, this is definitely one of my favorite collections. Let me know if you're ready for summer. I'm not quite ready for that transition yet. Summer is my least favorite season. It's been about 85 average here the past few days, and it's way too hot for me. If you're wanting some of these stickers for the upcoming season, they are available on my shop, and maybe we'll sell more than just one this year.